All right, we're about to try to get this thing off again. Last time I just used my grip right here and a wrench on one of the bolts to try to just hold it still while Sydney loosened up this part. Now I have 2 wrenches. I'm gonna try to hold both wrenches with one hand and also have my fingertips on this. Maybe we can bust it loose that way.
We're back, guys. Logan, what are we doing?
Torquing down. There's that crispy. Torquing down the end caps for the rods. Yeah, our rods and pistons don't go straight into the head. 33 foot-pounds. Tired of that big moly. In this part of the video, you see me try to tighten the end caps on the piston rods. What I didn't know is that I accidentally gouged the crankshaft while putting in the pistons, and because of that, there's like a little race part. I shredded the bearings, which was bad. Obviously, I had to replace the bearings, and I also had to fix that little gouge. I didn't take it to a shop or anything. I just kind of did it with a file. I know some people are going to cry about it, but whatever, it's fine. I don't know if you want to do that.
To be continued.
To be continued. Clean head. Listen to that noise. Bro, I bet you'd be getting some cool shots right now. Me cleaning the head. Boom. Boom, done. Last check, nothing flew into my motor. Look at that little oiler thingy.
You had to wait. Give me 1 second.
Head is on the motor. Yeet, yeet. Okay, now we have these. And one side is the long side. I don't know what side that is. One side's the short side. I have to go to a specific word. Isn't this fun? I wonder if you need thread locker for these.
Didn't.
Oh, this is like one of We got a new, what's that, clutch? We got new clutch plate, and no, clutch and pressure plate.
Yep.
That's pressure plate.
That is the pressure plate, and the clutch is inside it, sandwiched between the flywheel.
Yep. Same flywheel.
Here.
Our clutch looks like this. Wait a minute, Cole. Our clutch is out here. It's in there.
Wait.
We got a 6-puck clutch. We got a pretty good deal on them. We're about to try to put this in there after we snug this down. Got the motor in this next morning. Forgive me if I'm not like super energetic. My back is absolutely killing me right now. Getting the manifold off of the exhaust I chopped so that I can go ahead and marry it up to the engine with the intake manifold. They use the same gasket and same bolts to hold everything on, which is kind of a strange design. But this, like, they use the same hardware, like in the same line. It's weird. But yeah, after that, I'm gonna start hooking everything up, and maybe we could try to turn it over and see if it'll fire. Exhaust manifold back on. Looking a little crusty, but it is on the motor. Next, I'm gonna get throttle body, fuel rail. Golly, I sound like a freaking crazy person. My back still hurts really bad. Throttle body, fuel rail, intake manifold, bolted up. Then we're gonna get the power steering pump bolted, and then hopefully we can plug everything in. Coil pack, have it plugged in on our belt, and maybe try to start this thing over. We are inching closer and closer. Right now we're going to get the serpentine on. My plan is to get it so that I can crank it. If it cranks up fine and runs normal, I'm going to cut it off, assemble the rest of the front end, and then try to drive it. If I am hasty and diligent with it, I can get it done and hopefully drive it, move the vehicle today. So yeah, that's where we're at. What are we about to do, Squidward?
Hopefully start the Jeep.
The first time. Get at it. All right, Sydney. What have we done?
Nothing.
Will you hold it while I try to crank it? Sound like it wanted to talk a little bit.
Murdoch.
Come on here quick. Make sure it's getting your...
Does it even have gas in it?
Should.
Probably leaves, baby.
That's a hard leak.
There's a lot. I mean, these leaves are freaking. We need to do.
I think it's 8.
We need to do a lot of yard work.
As soon as we get a lawnmower...
It's not the lawnmower we need. We need a rake.
You ready?
Giving it a little gas help.
It could. It sounds like it's not firing.
Yeah, it does.
It sounds like everything's normal. It just doesn't sound like it's getting any spark.
I don't know what that really means, so I'll agree. Murdoch wants to go on a Jeep ride.
I said this thing's loose. I don't know what it is.
That's no bueno. It smells really bad right here.
Yeah, it does. Think figured out why it wasn't starting earlier. Crankshaft positioning sensor. think was our issue.
What was that?
I just want to make sure this isn't caught forward. It might just be because there's a bunch of fuel in the system.
Okay.
That was freaking awesome.
Do you need to unhook it from your truck?
No, it's fine.
Okay, well that was really loud. I didn't like it.
You want to start it?
No,
It's quieter in here.
I don't. I just don't want the thing to explode.
It's dumping at the headers, which is why it's so loud right now. Sydney! We did it! Because there's no exhaust on it right now. Oh shit, something's burning. Oh, it's probably all the oil. It's all over it. Okay, so that just shot flames for a solid, like, long time. I need to make sure this thing isn't about to catch on fire. Holy crap! It works! Sydney!
Is it gonna catch on fire?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, well how about we move your truck?
Why, you think it's gonna blow it up?
Yeah.
Sydney! It works! That's awesome.
So why is it burning?
I think it's all the oil that I accidentally spilled on it. What? Hey y'all, if that video is over too soon, I got some more videos on my channel you can go check out. If you like it, go ahead and subscribe and like the video. And God bless.